9 out of 10 teachers join this profession to make a difference, make society better, share knowledge, instill work ethic, change lives. 90% signed up to make a difference in the world. They believe the future of the world and in America is in our classrooms. And yet 59% of teachers have to work a second job to make ends meet. They're painting homes, tutoring in the evenings, babysitting, cleaning houses, driving Uber so that they can have food in the pantry. And still almost half of all teachers have to run up debt to survive in America. Did you hear that clearly? People who are devoted to the 74 million children in our country, and therefore this country's future, cannot afford to live on their paychecks. And yet the standards for teachers keeps getting raised higher and higher. How can we expect them to do a great job when they're having to think about their other jobs at the same time? So when I hear politicians and pundits claiming that teachers from Kentucky or Arizona or Colorado were greedy for striking, excuse me if I roll my eyes a little and ask them if they'd give up their salaries to do the work of a teacher. Teachers don't strike because they want to be rich. They strike because after a long day in the classroom teaching and growing, disciplining, loving, and working with our children, they don't feel like painting a house or driving an Uber. Enjoy your summer, teachers. You've earned it.